Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So if you want to bring a beloved movie icon to DTI runway, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how you can create the hauntingly beautiful Edward Scissorhands look by Tim Burton. So this look will be perfect for goth, movie character, or gloomy theme. This is an outfit that will earn you crown. So let's just get started. Now first, for the hair, I'm combining all of this hair. You can find this one on the feminine hair category. This and also this two in here. Combine it with this bangs all in black color. Don't forget to change your nail into a body nails like this. Now let's just make the outfit. So here I'm going to put on this t-shirt first from the women's section, remove the picture and use these patterns in here. You need to use these patterns for all of the outfits, and I'm going to make the material metallic and combine the top with this one. Okay, like this, and I'm going to put on this sleeves in here with the same pattern. And don't forget these puff on the shoulder with the same patterns in here. Let me put on this boots for the shoe, and for the last to change it into white. Now you can go put on this skinny jeans with the same patterns. This. Then you can go to the dressing room and put on this belt right here. Toggle it into type 2 and change color to black for the second and the third. Here, use the adjustment feature. I'm going to adjust the scale, the position in Y, and also the scale. This. And I'm going to also put on the new items in here. Change the color to silver, and this one you can go put on this necklace right here, all in silver color. And so this is the Edward Scissorhands look in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on it. Bye.